Hi everyone, quick site update on one of our projects. We just built this bungalow at the back. It's all finished. New people are moving in next week, so we're just taking away security fencing and we're just taking it over to one of our other sites, which is, probably can't see, over there where we're going to be building 5 houses. So just at the other end of the village. Not going to move it too far. That one's just in for planning at the minute. But we've already got permission from the landowner for us to move it up there ready, so we can secure that site. You see, we're just taking it away from all the way around. I just come over here, just do a couple of little jobs as well. So the new people are moving in next week. We just want to make sure that everything is perfect for when they move in. There's my sons, busy working away. Just gone and cut the grass today, and we'll bring the leaf blower over and get rid of all the leaves because autumn's coming. They started falling. But yeah, it's looking nice, looking all tidy. Had all the windows cleaned in the week. Got our window cleaner to come over, so that's all done. Just going to come over and give the carpets a final hoover. Just make sure the worktops have been cleaned as well. And when they lay the carpets, a little bit of dust coming up from the screed. And just give everything a nice clean, ready for them to move into later on in the week. It's looking good. So this particular bungalow, we paid 80,000 for the plot. We've spent 90 on it. That's everything. It's the whole build, utilities, planning, the whole lot. We just sold it for 270, so we're going to make £100,000 profit, and it's took us 14 weeks to build in total. And it's what we're now. So we're now October. We started this in January. Been a few delays, obviously, with the lockdown. We had about 5 weeks where we couldn't get any materials. Then we've been working on another couple of sites. But yeah, 14 weeks in total. And yeah, it sold in 6 days. And the people are moving up from south, retired couple, and they can't wait to move in. And I suppose in their eyes, they've got a lot of house for the money compared to what they would do down south. We're in Lincolnshire, so properties are fairly cheap. You know, they've got loads of parking. They've got a big garage with nice electric door, and it's quiet. It's a very nice, quiet place to live. Here we are on the other side, just dropping the fence off. We've got another load over just there between the shed and the garage. That garage is going to be demolished. And this is the site. We're going to be building 5 houses, 4 4-beds, 1 5-bed. And should be starting on here in the new year, probably be about February, hopefully by no later than March. And I've just had a conversation with the vendor, and he's happy for us to tap into his drains. So that's going to save us going out into the road and save us a few grand, a bit of time. So that's good. We've got plenty of invert level from the back of the site to do that. So yeah, we're just going to get this fence off and then we're done.